Want to create emails, blog posts, social media content, essays, or other written content faster? Claude AI can help you brainstorm ideas, generate drafts, improve grammar, rewrite text, and adapt your writing for different audiences. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to write with Claude AI in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Claude AI account and open a new chat. You'll use this conversation to generate and improve your writing. Starting with a fresh chat helps keep your writing project organized. Next, tell Claude exactly what you'd like to create. Include details like the topic, audience, tone, length, and any important points you want to cover. The more specific your instructions are, the better the results will usually be. Claude will generate a draft based on your prompt. Read through it carefully and decide what you'd like to improve, expand, or simplify. The first draft is often just the beginning. Ask Claude to rewrite sections, improve the tone, shorten paragraphs, add examples, fix grammar, or adjust the format until the content matches your goals. Take a moment to continue refining the draft instead of accepting the first version. Once you're satisfied with the result, copy the text into your preferred document editor. Make any final edits to ensure it reflects your own ideas and style. A quick final review can make your writing even stronger. Continue using Claude for emails, reports, resumes, creative writing, presentations, summaries, marketing copy, and many other writing projects. So you've successfully learned how to write with Claude AI, and that's how to write with Claude AI. Whether you're creating professional documents, academic content, business communications, or creative projects, Claude can help you write more efficiently and polish your ideas. The better your prompts and feedback become, the better your writing results will be. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.